Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to you. A lot to talk about here as we go through your forecast, so we're just going to get right down to business here as we check out what we have in store for today. We're going to see a lot of cloud cover out there. Now, probably not going to see much precipitation. If we do, it's going to be fairly light. The best chances coming in this afternoon, some light rain showers or drizzle, the best chances in eastern Nebraska. So again, for most of us, it's going to be a quiet day, just kind of cool, cloudy conditions out there, getting a little drizzly, maybe see a little sunshine out towards the west later this afternoon. Then heading into tonight, things become a little more interesting. A little more moisture comes northward, even a low-level jet kicking in just a little bit. And for some of us in central and especially eastern Nebraska, some showers and isolated thunderstorms. Now, probably not going to see severe weather, but for areas out towards the east, some hail up to maybe penny size, not out of the question with some of these storms that would develop here after midnight tonight. And again, we'll keep that chance going right into tomorrow morning. We'll start the day off with some showers, but notice the snow out west. As colder air starts to move in, a brisk north and northwest wind kicks in. We're going to see some of that rain start to change over to snow throughout the day on Thursday, and that's going to continue right into Thursday afternoon. Now, this is kind of a blended forecast model here that we have at KHAS. We're going to show you one of the other forecast models here in just a bit on how much snow we could potentially be seeing here. But again, rain and snow moving through will continue right into Thursday evening and kind of clear out very early Friday morning before sunrise. So again, this is the European forecast model, which is the one I probably tend to agree with the most. Right now, Tri-Cities area, an inch, maybe 2 inches of snowfall, but the trend is for higher totals the farther north that you go. And the main thing about the snow is, again, we're talking about warm surface temperatures, above freezing likely temperatures out there for tomorrow. So a lot of the snow is going to be melting. It's going to be a very wet snowfall, but in the slightly colder air to the north, that's where we could be potentially looking at 2, 4, maybe as much as 6 inches of snowfall up there in northern portions of Nebraska. And that's kind of the trend that all forecast models are showing, is that the higher totals will be farther north. It's just kind of a placement of how far east or west it will be. And I think with the slower, I think the system's going to be a fairly slow-moving system. It'll be a little bit farther west. So something to wait and see, but again, the trend will be for higher totals north. Combined with some strong winds, though, they're going to be the snow's going to be blowing around, causing some poor visibilities for Thursday into Thursday evening. And rainfall or liquid precipitation totals out of this with the rain and snow combined, quarter, half inch for many of us. I think we'll be looking at some good moisture on the way. Not the case today. Very light precipitation today, some light rain or snow up north, and then changing over to some light rain later on today. Temperature-wise, upper 30s to lower 40s. And one thing I want to mention about temperatures today, I would not be surprised if a lot of these are too high. I would not be surprised if many of us stay in the 30s for highs today, just with this gloomy, cloudy day out there. A little bit better chance of a little bit of warming later today out west with some sunshine. As for south central Nebraska, north central Kansas, again, I have upper 30s, lower 40s in Nebraska, a little bit warmer down in Kansas, but would not be surprised if I have to drop these, especially in south central Nebraska here just a little bit for today. And out towards the east, again, I have low to mid 40s, maybe only 30s in some spots for this afternoon. So your extended forecast, again, tomorrow is the prime day, really the day we've been watching for several days now, with that good chance of moisture, rain and snow as we head towards Thursday into Thursday night, wrapping up by sunrise on Friday. Friday and Saturday look dry right now, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. A bit windy still on Friday, 47 degrees, and then almost 60 on Saturday. As we get towards Saturday night, there's our next chance of rain. Now, these chances going Saturday night all the way through Tuesday look much more unorganized compared to what we'll have out there tomorrow. Just kind of off and on chances. Right now, Saturday night and Sunday looks like the best chance of some light rain showers. Going to keep that chance going. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, maybe some light showers out there, but the trend will be for some warmer conditions, 50s to around 60 degrees. Still got to have some wind in there, unfortunately, but at least not as much in the way of snow chances with the warmer conditions. And then beyond the 7-day forecast, the trend will be for some warming. It looks like towards the middle and end of next week, a nice ridge is going to build in and allow for temperatures back into the 60s, 70s, maybe approaching 80 towards the end of next week. So maybe feeling a little bit more like spring out there as we progress through that second week of April. So again, a lot going on the next couple of days. Stay tuned to that forecast. Be ready because we will likely see some snowfall this time tomorrow, at least sometime during the day tomorrow, I should say, into tomorrow evening. And for some of us, again, we may be digging out a little bit of that snowfall. So until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Thursday. It's, excuse me, a great Wednesday. I'm a day ahead of us already. Yeah, hope you have a great Wednesday.